everyone, how are you all? So today I am going to make a craft for Dussehra, and today I will make a craft, Ravan craft, and I'll take a box. This is an empty box. You can take any box, whichever box is there available at your home. You can take this box and you can cover it with white color, white paper. So you can take glue and stick the white paper on this box. Cover it totally from all the sides. You have to cover it with white paper. So once you have covered it with white paper, you have to cut it in between. Equally you have to see and cut the box in between. I have already cut it with the help of scissors. So you have to cut like this and make a half like this. So it will be like this. Now what you have to do, now what I have done, I have just make the eyes, and I am just coloring it, the box, with skin color. So you can just color this with skin color. So like this you can color. It's already cut in between. I have already shown you. We have already cut. Let it dry for some time. Just let it dry. And once again you can highlight the features of Ravan. So now you can just color here with, again highlight it with, I have already made the eyes earlier. So you can just make it like this, and this is the mouth. Now what you can do, you can add some things on this craft. So it will be like this actually. It's already cut from the back side, and on this side you have to, it's like a mouth. So it's here, and you can make the tongue in between, and you can add some features like I've already made the mustache. You can add the mustache like this. First of all, I'll add the nose. This is a triangle I have cut, and I will just point it like this, and I will stick it here. So I'll put some glue. I'll just put some glue on the back side. I'll just put some glue, and I'll just put this nose here. As a nose, you can just put it like this, press it like this, and it will become a nose. Nose of Ravan. It will be little 3D look. It will give the 3D look also, and it will become like a nose. Now we all know now Ravan used to have very big mustache. So I have already made the mustache. You can just stick this mustache also. Put some glue and put the mustache here below the nose. And now this is the crown I have made. So I can stick the crown on the head. On the head I can stick it. So stick it properly on the top of the head. You can just stick, put some glue and stick it. So this is the thing you can draw. You can do like this. So my Ravan is ready, craft is ready. On the crown I can put some more things. So I'm having some beads. So I can just put some beads on the crown. So I can just put the beads on the top of this. Stick some beads like this on the crown. So I have put the beads on the crown, you can see. So my Ravan craft is ready for Dussehra, and you can also make this as for Dussehra for yourself in school. Kids can also make. And yes, one thing more we can do, you can just put the hands on the back side, and you can even move the face of the Ravan. I am Ravan. So you can make some dialogues like this. You can just add some things. You can make different type of puppets like this of different characters, make a play, and children can also enjoy, and they can actually move it, and they can enjoy this thing. Okay, now we will do some, I'll just tell you some lines on Dussehra. Okay, so some lines on Dussehra are: Dussehra is a famous festival. It is celebrated before Diwali. It is celebrated in honor of Lord Rama's victory over Ravan. On the 10th day, Ravan, Kumbhakaran, and Meghnad's huge effigies are put on fire with crackers inside. This festival gives us message of victory of good over evil. For 10 days there are festivities, and on the Dussehra day, processions are taken out in the streets. It is one of the most enjoyable festival. So I hope you must have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed, so kindly please subscribe it, share it with everyone, and make this craft for your the Shera, and you can tell children about the Shera by using these lines. So on my channel you can get many more videos on different things. You can go through my channel, you can get different types of videos on preschool, you can get some videos on different drawings and many other things. And if you want something which you want to comment something and you want some video on some particular thing topic, so you can just write in the comment section. So okay, bye from my side.